Hi, Chandra here with Elise Financial Services. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. Today is day 26 on 30 Steps to Better Financially You, and today we're going to talk about performing financial checkups. Now, as the head of your household or the assistant head of the household, you may feel an awesome responsibility for your family, and you may feel responsible for their financial well-being. Today we're going to touch on 5 points that can ensure the financial well-being of you and your family. The first is health insurance. Make sure you have adequate health insurance. If your employer offers a group policy, great, please take advantage of it. But read the fine print. You want to know if you're on the hook for co-payments and how much those co-payments really are. Does your employer offer a maximum amount of money which they will contribute? And then also look at what your out-of-pocket expenses will be once that maximum is reached. What type of doctors are in your network? And can you seek medical help and advice from doctors outside of that network? Read the fine print. If your employer does not offer health insurance, then look to Medicare. Also look at your state-sponsored plans. The next is auto insurance. Again, read the fine print. Liability may be enough coverage for you and your family in some instances. In others, I recommend that you get a more robust auto insurance plan in the event of your car is in extended maintenance, or God forbid you get into a little fender bender. Having the ability to have a rental car covered while your car is undergoing maintenance is crucial to the survivability of your family at times, right? I mean, if you commute 35 minutes to work one way, and you don't have a car, it can be pretty difficult to get to work daily. So having a robust auto insurance plan that can actually afford you a rental car for a certain period of time is such a stress reliever, yes? The other is life insurance, and make sure you have adequate life insurance, right? You can find term life insurance for as low as $22 for an adult between the ages of 35 and 45. Check into what types of life insurance policies are out there. I encourage you to shop around and see what is included in each of those term policies. Also, ensure that you have adequate coverage until your children are of age to be self-sufficient. The next is disability insurance. If your employer offers disability insurance, I encourage you to take part of it. At one point in time, you may not be able to work, and just being able to be a part of that disability insurance plan is also a lifesaver and a complete stress reliever in those difficult times. If your company does not offer disability, then again, shop around and look for a disability policy, individual disability policy in which you can take advantage of. And the next is will. Ensure that you have a will for your estate. You don't need to have a large estate to have a will, just something that you can leave to your kids or your children in the event of your passing, and they need to be able to understand what your directions are after you've passed, or if you're living and you're incapacitated, meaning that you for whatever reason cannot provide direction of your own free will. You may be in a coma, or you just may not be able to be as responsive as needed. So having a will in place offers family, doctors, some guidelines on how things should be conducted. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback, maybe get a discussion going, and I look forward to seeing you on day 27. Take care.